Hey guys, it's Andrew with MrRCSound. I just wanted to show you a quick demo of the dual sound system in this P-38. This is the FMS P-38. Very nice plane, by the way. I put it in with two main 2-inch max SPL speakers. And I don't have these are synchronized to start at the same time, so the motors start at the same time. I don't have it set for one startup and then the other. I could have done that, but it would have taken some extensive rewiring because they kind of used a wiring harness in this plane. So I could have clipped a couple wires, added in a Y cable here and there, but I just didn't want to make more of a mess of the wiring. It already is quite a mess. So anyways, here it is. Let's take a look and see what it sounds like. Kind of hold it back here and I'll run it up a little bit. Low idle. Yep, it's starting to roll on me a little bit here. One speaker on each side. Start it up once more. There you are. Can't wait to fly this thing. I'm kind of hesitant to fly it out here on my short field at first, but I may give it a try. If not, I'll try it someplace else here within the next week or so.